Welcome to Port Esbjerg, Denmark's biggest port. It is part of a highly specialized network of ports with a key role in the offshore wind sector. 80% of the European offshore wind capacity has been shipped out from the port, covering 4.5 million square meters and a front-runner in the European offshore wind sector. Port Esbjerg is also home to more than 200 companies employing around 10,000 workers. The European ambitions within offshore wind have increased dramatically. By 2022, around 28 gigawatts of offshore wind has been erected and commissioned in European waters. Port Esbjerg has played a crucial role in this development since it all began by the start of this millennium. Looking towards 2050, the European ambition exceeds 400 gigawatts, and the immediate ambition is to install more than 160 gigawatts by 2030, according to Wind Europe. So, in the next 10 years, we will have to install 5 times more than we have done over the past 20 years. But there will not be 5 times more port capacity available. In fact, Wind Europe has estimated that €8.5 billion has to be invested in port infrastructure to support the delivery of the European ambitions. This development has dramatically increased the complexity of the operations at the port. At Port Esbjerg, we have foreseen this situation and initiated port expansion projects already more than 5 years ago. In 2025, we will add another 750,000 square meters to our port. But we must invest smart. Port expansion will not be the only path to follow. At Port Esbjerg, we have introduced technology to optimize our port capacity. We have created a digital twin. Our digital twin is a dynamic virtual representation of the port, the capacities in the port, and the ongoing processes in handling port commodities. It is updated from real-time data and uses simulation, machine learning, and reasoning to help our decision-making. We can simulate different planning situations. Let us have a look at the simulation. This is built up with real vessel specifications and data from our cranes and trucks, and exact infrastructure dimensions. This simulation has shown us that by using smart planning, we can optimize the use of port areas by 3. So, smart planning can increase our yearly load out of offshore wind from 1.5 gigawatts to 4.5 gigawatts. But we can do it even smarter. Imagine a digital twin, including the entire offshore wind supply chain from production to installation. Imagine a digital twin including more than one port. We imagine this at Port Esbjerg. We will engage with companies and ports to unlock the untapped potential in port capacity. This is one of our contributions to support a successful implementation of the European offshore wind ambitions towards a safer and more sustainable European energy supply.